Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Have you ever wondered if collagen supplements actually do anything for your skin, or if it's mostly marketing? Here's the truth. Your body can't absorb whole collagen, creams don't push collagen into the skin, and most powders rely on vitamins. Not guide collagen to show results. Stay until the end because I'll reveal the natural, science-backed foods and habits that boost collagen better than most supplements, and they cost almost nothing. Your body cannot take a scoop of collagen powder and absorb it whole. It doesn't magically transport into your skin to smooth out wrinkles. The process is far more complex, but understanding it unlocks your body's own skin renewal. The good news? You don't need to spend a fortune for a healthy, vibrant glow. Forget complicated routines. It's time to get back to basics with food-first nutrition. This isn't about dismissing collagen entirely. It's about smarter choices for your health and your wallet in 2025. Give your body the right nutrients and habits, and it can do incredible things. When you stir a scoop of collagen into your morning coffee or smoothie, it begins a long journey through your digestive system. Your body never absorbs whole collagen. Acids and enzymes break it into amino acids and small peptides. Only these smaller pieces can cross the intestinal wall and enter your bloodstream. Your body uses them everywhere. Repair muscle, support gut lining, build hormones and enzymes. Some collagen peptides act like messengers, telling skin fibroblasts to produce a bit more collagen. Research shows mild benefits, small boosts in hydration and elasticity, slight softening of fine lines, quicker healing, beneficial, but not a miracle. Think of peptides as a helpful nudge, not a complete overhaul. They provide signals and a few raw materials, but they're only one part of a bigger skin health picture. Use them wisely, as part of a comprehensive strategy. If this is helpful so far, keep watching. I'll show you the exact foods that boost collagen faster than powders. Tap like. So YouTube shows this to more people who are confused about collagen. The beauty industry is filled with creams, serums and lotions boasting collagen on the label. But collagen molecules are too large to pass the epidermis. Your skin is a barrier. It keeps big foreign molecules out. A whole collagen molecule is like a bus trying to squeeze through a tiny gate. So why do some creams help? The secret isn't the collagen, it's the other active ingredients. Look for retinoids like retinol, proven to boost collagen synthesis and speed up cell turnover. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production and helps protect existing collagen from damage. Specific topical peptides, small enough to absorb, can signal skin to produce more collagen. Niacinamide and hyaluronic acid improve barrier and hydration, creating a healthy environment for collagen to thrive. Ignore the buzzword on the front. Turn the bottle. Read the entire ingredient list. Collagen in a cream may moisturize on the surface, but it's not rebuilding your skin's structure. Choose real actives. Invest in what supports your skin's biology. Nearly all collagen supplements add small amounts of vitamin C and E. Vitamin C is required for collagen production. Without it, even 2 pounds of collagen can't build collagen. This is why collagen seems magical. Often the added vitamins do most of the work. If you already get plenty of vitamin C from food, pricey powders may not beat cheaper options. Understand the relationship. Choose supplements wisely, or build your plan with whole foods. Up next, the 3 true builders of youthful skin. Peptides. Vitamin C. Sufficient protein. It all comes down to 3 fundamental pillars. 1. Collagen peptides. They send repair signals and supply amino acids like glycine and proline. 1. Vitamin C, the essential cofactor that stabilizes collagen. With enough C, collagen production increases significantly. 1. Sufficient protein. Skin can't rebuild without amino acids. Many people undereat protein. If protein is low, your body prioritizes elsewhere, leaving skin undersupplied. Together, these 3 create strong, resilient collagen. Cover these daily and you build the optimal internal environment for youthful-looking skin. They far surpass any single product. Your skin needs glycine, proline, and lysine to form collagen's backbone. Eggs, a complete amino acid profile in both yolk and white. Fatty fish like salmon provide protein plus anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Chicken and turkey, simple, lean, and effective. Greek yogurt, concentrated protein and probiotics for gut health. Plant options, lentils, chickpeas, and black beans deliver protein and fiber. Almonds and walnuts, protein, healthy fats, and skin-supporting micronutrients. Pair protein with vitamin C, kiwi, strawberries, bell peppers, oranges, and lemons supercharge collagen synthesis. Add vitamin E from almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocado to protect skin lipids. Greens and beta-carotene foods like spinach, celery, carrots, pumpkin, and sweet potato support skin defenses. Garlic sulfur helps strengthen collagen fibers. Without enough protein, collagen powders barely work. Inflammation destroys collagen faster than age. Choose anti-inflammatory fats, salmon and extra virgin olive oil. Chia and flax are easy add-ins to smoothies, yogurt, or oats. Turmeric and ginger calm inflammation. Pair turmeric with black pepper for better absorption. Swap sugary drinks for green tea. Its catechins help reduce inflammation and protect from sun damage. Antioxidant-rich fruits like pomegranate and blueberries neutralize free radicals that damage collagen. Consistently include these foods to defend collagen, keeping skin firm, smooth, and resilient. Healthy fats, antioxidants, smart beverage swaps. Daily sunscreen is non-negotiable. UV is the #1 external cause of collagen loss. Prioritize quality sleep. Deep sleep releases growth hormone that stimulates collagen synthesis. Lower stress. Chronically high cortisol breaks collagen and reduces new production. Hydrate. Dry skin shows more lines and has lower collagen activity. Drink throughout the day and add water-rich foods like cucumber, celery, and watermelon. These simple daily habits create powerful synergy that outperforms any pill. Combine protein and vitamin C in the same meal, the simplest, most effective trick. Examples: eggs with strawberries, salmon with lemon, yogurt with kiwi, or lentils with lemon juice. This combo often outperforms expensive supplements by maximizing real collagen synthesis. Collagen supplements work, but only mildly. Vitamin C, protein-rich food, healthy fats, hydration, good sleep, and sun protection are far more powerful and scientifically proven. If you found this helpful, don't forget to watch these videos about the secret science to rapid hair growth and why everyone is talking about metabolic health in 2025.